Welcome to Microeconomics class, and this is the sixth module. We'll be talking about the market structure, and this will be the first part. We'll be talking about the perfect and imperfect competition, and we will look into the fundamental market structure, focusing on the perfect and imperfect competition, and we will examine how these structures influence pricing, outputs, efficiency, and firm behavior, providing a solid foundation for economic analysis. And what do we understand by, or what do we mean by market structure? Market structure describes how firms and buyers interact, critically determining pricing, output, and competition. And we distinguish between perfect and imperfect competition, which represent two ends of the spectrum, and with most real-world markets falling in between. And when we talk about the perfect, just for a short introduction, perfect competition, it is an idealized model with maximum competition serving as benchmark for efficiency. And for imperfect competition, it is more common market structure that deviates from perfect competition, featuring elements like fewer sellers and products and differentiation. And looking into perfect competition in the broad aspect now, it's actually the ideal benchmark. Perfect competition is a theoretical market structure with the highest level of competition, rarely seen in its pure form, and it is crucial for evaluating the efficiency of other market structure. Key characteristics are that it has large number of buyers and sellers. It's known for its homogeneous product. It's also known for its free entry and exit. Also, it involves perfect information, and there is no government interference in this and in it. And also, it's characterized by price takers. And the implication of perfect competition is that normal profit only in the long run. It results in normal profits only in the long run. Also, it's maximized efficiency, that is allocative and productive. And then lastly, price equals marginal cost. And an example of this is the agricultural market, like wheat or maize. What is when we talk about the imperfect competition, what is imperfect competition? This is featuring fewer sellers, product differentiation, and pricing power. And these structures are more common in the real world. And the types of these are the monopolistic competition, the oligopoly, and then the monopoly. This will be discussed in the coming model very well. And for the monopolistic competition, it is a market structure characterized by many sellers, similar but differentiated products. Example are the restaurants, fashion boutiques, and more. And firms have some pricing control due to branding. And for the oligopoly, it is a market structure characterized by dominated by a few large firms. And example of these are the telecommunications, the automobiles, and decisions significantly affect others. It also has high barrier to entry. And for the monopoly, it is a market structure where a single firm is the sole producer. Example is the National Electricity Supplier, and full pricing power. It's known for its full pricing power due to high barrier to entry, and there is no close substitute in this form of imperfect competition. And we need to look into the price and output determination also, and this vary significantly across market structures, and it is influenced by firms' control over price, structure, and demand condition. When we look at it as per market price, and for the perfect competition, the price control is none, that is the price takers. And for the demand curve, it is perfectly elastic. Um, and profit maximization condition is MC is equal to MR is equal to price, and you can see the long run also for the markets, and for the monopolistic competition, you see that the price control is for some, and then the demand curve is downward sloping. You can check the other two. We have the oligopoly, which is the price control is considerable, and the demand curve is kinked or interdependent. And for the monopoly, it's the price control is complete, that is price maker, and it's downward sloping as per the demand curve. For perfect competition, you look into the short run equilibrium, and in the short run, firm in perfect competition are price takers with fixed factors of production, and they maximize profits by producing where marginal cost equals marginal revenue, which is also the market price. And when we talk about the market level, price is set by market demand and supply equilibrium. Also, equilibrium ensures quantity demanded equals quantity supplied. For the firm level now, the firm takes market price as given. Also, the demand curve is perfectly elastic, that is horizon, and profit maximizing rule is that MC, which is the marginal cost, is equal to marginal revenue is equal to price, and that is the short run equilibrium as per the perfect competition. And for the long run equilibrium as per the perfect competition, all factors are variable, and firms can freely enter or exit. And this flexibility ensures that the economic profits are eliminated, leading to a state of maximum efficiency. And under this, we could see the super normal profit, we see the losses, and we see the normal profits. For super profits, it attracts new firms and increasing supply and pushing price down. For losses, losses causes firm to exit, decreasing supply and pushing price up. And for the normal profit, at normal profit, market stabilizes when the price is equal to the marginal cost and is equal to the ATC, with no incentive for entry or exit. And in the long run equilibrium, all firms produce at the most efficient scale, achieving both allocative and productive efficiency. For monopolistic competition, a realistic blend, it's actually a realistic blend. And this is a common market structure, blending features of perfect competition and monopoly. And it involves many sellers offering differentiated products with relatively free entry and exit. And the key features of monopolistic competition is that there are many firms, each with a slightly different product, real or perceived. And also, the products are imperfect substitutes, allowing some pricing powers. Also, the non-price competition, which is advertising, branding, and customer service, is very, very essential. And lastly, it's the relatively low barrier to entry and exit is one of the key features. In conclusion, market structure is fundamentally shaped, it's actually fundamentally shaped firms' behavior, pricing strategy, and economic efficiency. And it is very important to understand it. And we've seen how under perfect competition, as it ensures efficient benchmark, and many firms are known to be under this where homogeneous product price takers. These are the major things we've seen under perfect competition. And for the imperfect competition, we've seen product differentiation, barrier to entry, pricing power, and it includes monopolistic competition, oligopoly, and monopoly. And for the monopolistic competition, we've seen that it's a realistic blend. That is, product differentiation is is seeing non-price competition, and on the long run, normal profits is achieved due to free entry, but with excess capacity. Thank you for joining through the class.